Hello everyone, and your presenter for this video is Taonga Dembo. And so for this video, I am going to show you how to create a table on your Word document. And there are basically 4 ways you can create a table. You can directly just insert a quick table. You can also use Excel, and you can draw your table, or you can just manually put in the rows and columns for what you want for your table. So let's get into it. So first, you have to go to your insert tab, and when you go to your insert tab, you're going to go to your table button there, and when you click on it, you see that there are various where it shows insert table here, there are given rows and columns. So if you want to make a quick table, you can just go and click on the rows and columns that you need, and you can just mark it just like that. And when you're done, you can click, and that is how you have put your table, and you can now start putting in what you want there. And also the other way you can create your table is by the same way, going to your insert tab and going back to the table button, and you can go to draw table. So for drawing the table, you are going to manually draw, because as you can see, the cursor even turns into some sort of pencil there, so you can even like just start drawing the rows and columns that you need. So just like that, you have made a row, and if you want to continue, you can do the same. So you can use this method, but this is time consuming. I wouldn't even recommend it. However, the third way you can create your table is by using the Excel spreadsheet. So when you go to your Excel here, you're going to be directed, when you click on Excel spreadsheet, you're going to be directed to your Excel app or Excel extension, so to speak, and from there you can now begin editing what you want on your table. And when you're finished from there, you can now take in the same data from Excel and bring it back here. And if you want to add quick tables, you can see there are various options here, and you can just choose the type of table that you want, and instantly it will be there. So for example, if we put in this table, which is like a calendar, you can see that everything has been inserted for you, because this is the quick table option. And so before I actually close this video, we need to show you how you can edit your table. So we are just going to take a few steps back, and now we are going to go to the first way I showed you how to create a table. So once you pick out the rows and columns that you want, so for the sake of the video, we are going to choose a four columns with 3 rows. So if you want to now edit and design the table that you have made, so we have a table here, and now we need to design it, right? So when we go to design, there are various ways. You can choose these options here, where you can choose the styles of the table that you want, but it's not necessarily that important, only if you've been directed by your lecturer or supervisor. But if you want to design your table, you can go with this. And what our main concern is here is going to your layout tab. And so for the layout tab, here you can perform various functions to either insert a new row or column, or even delete, and also measuring how wide and measuring the width and the height of your cells. So as you can see here, our cells seem to be too small. So if you want to increase and make it have more space, you can just go there and increase it. And you can do the same for your other columns or rows. And when you've done all that, you can even align the text. So here, this button here can help you align the text. So if you want your text to be showing at the side when you type something like this, you can have it at the side, or if you want it to be at the center, you can just click on the center, and as you can see, everything will be aligned here. As well as also if you want to merge the cells of the table. So there are points where you want this whole column here. I'm just going to mark it. If you want this whole column here to be one whole thing together, That's called merging. And if you want to merge these cells, you have to go and your merge cells button, and when you press that, this whole thing is going to become one main cell. And if you want to insert another column, you go to insert left, because columns are more of this direction, whereas rows are like this. So when you go to insert another column, or to insert, you can set it either on the left or the right. So you can just press that, and as you can see, another column has been added there. Or if you want to insert another row, these are mainly in cases where you are taking down a register, and you can just go to insert below, and as you can see, we have another row there. So if you want to delete, you are going to go to your delete tab, and you'll see various options. If it's to delete the cells, delete the columns, delete the rows, you can delete. But because we've added these rows, we can delete them just by going to delete the rows, and you can delete the rows just as follows. And so thank you for watching this video, and for more videos, please like and subscribe to D-Access, and it's goodbye from Taonga Temple.